Hello to Winnie, Sterling, James, Roman, and Cleo. Well, today, DIY, is Easter. So happy Easter. So I see some of you are outside hunting maybe in the bushes or in your shed for things. And you might have seen a little egg, or maybe a little bunny. Okay, so today looks like it will be very sunny, and it is one day that I am going to read a story in the morning. It is not going to be a long story, and yes, there will be a trying to find the word dog. How do you guys spell dog? A dog. Yes, there will be a dog in this story, and he will have many pictures. And I hope that you are having a happy day like I am. And let's see. I will go upstairs later with my dog, but then we will come down the stairs. And no, we won't see any bunnies upstairs. So today I'm going to read you one story, not two stories. And it is not too long, because it's the last of the books I have from the library. Then I will be going to the library because Winnie asked me, what she asked is for me to get more Super Pet books, which I would love to do for you. So I will need to go to the library where they have a big collection of books. So say hi to Dad and Mom for me today. And let's see. Here's my question. My question today, like most days, is what, W-H-A-T, what is this book What is it? Well, it is a story, S-T-O-R-Y, story, about the dog who has the hiccups. This is written by, who's coming to be one of my favorite authors, Holly Sterling wrote this book. And see how the pictures, we read some of her other books, like this one about 15 things not to do with a baby, and this one about 15 things not to do with a grandma. Well, we read those books already, and here's one more. And see how she draws these pictures? And her drawings you can kind of start telling that it's her drawing, the way she draws. See? This is some of her drawing. Pictures in here. That's some of her drawing of two kids with their grandmas. Now this story today, let's turn it so we can both read it. The story today is called Hiccups. Oh, lots of dogs. Well, here we have a little girl. Oh, and she's doing some drawing. What is she doing? Oh, they're playing their favorite game, and let's see if we can figure out what that game is. I see some cards with dog pictures on it. Maybe it's a card game where you have to match the dog pictures. Or maybe she's teaching the dog the name of these different kinds of dogs. This one looks a little bit like her dog. But this one looks like this one. So, she and her dog are playing a card game together. Her name is Ruby, and the dog's name is Oscar. One morning, Ruby and Oscar were playing their favorite game when all of a sudden, hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Oh no, that's Oscar hiccuping. Oh dear Oscar, said Ruby, how are we going to get rid of those hiccups? Hiccup, hiccup. Look at that, the cards go flying all over because he's hiccuping. I know, why don't we try dancey dancing just like this, said Ruby. Oscar danced just like Ruby. But the hiccups did not stop. How about we do jumpity jump like this, said Ruby. Oscar jumped just like Ruby, but the hiccups were still there. Hic, hic. Well, let's go slurpity slurp like this, said Ruby. See how she's got her glass and her straw and she's drinking up that water? Now, I don't know about the dogs you guys know, but my dog doesn't know how to use a straw. But Oscar does, so he's pretty smart. Oscar slurped through his straw, but that didn't work. Let's see where he's going. Hiccup, hiccup. Oscar and Ruby went twirly twirl. Nope, he still hiccuped. They went hoppity hop. Still hiccuped. They went munchy munch munch. Nope, still hiccuped. And they went tickle tickle tickle. Now Baxter likes to be tickled on his belly too. But nothing would make Oscar's hiccups disappear. So, Ruby stopped to think. Aha, she said. I know exactly what will get rid of your hiccups. So it looks like she's in a room going through her box of toys. So she went to her toy box in search of, what is she looking for? It's her magic wand and wizard hat. With a swish and a swoosh, she waved her wand. Kind of like Harry Potter would do. Fizzy wizzy, sparkle stuff. Hiccups be gone, we've had enough. Said Oscar. Maybe this wasn't working. Ruby threw her wand to the ground and tried a very loud stomp, stompity stomp instead. But Oscar just could not stop. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Then Ruby had a really brilliant idea. She ran away and she came back wearing a special furry special furry what? Cat costume! Ah! Meow! She shouted. Oscar was a little scared of that, and his ears blew back, and his tail gave a real waggity wag. But, oh, he didn't hiccup. Whoa, look at that. She scared him, and he didn't hiccup. Whew. They're gone, said Ruby. Your hiccups are gone. And she gave Oscar a great big hug. Woof, 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 barked Oscar. Feeling very pleased with himself, Ruby and Oscar went back to playing their favorite game with the cards. Until all of a sudden, oh, Ruby has the hiccups now. Oh. Well, what do you guys think Oscar's going to do about that? Because that's the end of our story. But look, here's a picture of a whole bunch of dogs. Can anybody find the cat in with all the dogs? Take a good look. Anybody find it? Maybe Oscar will have to go find a cat to scare Ruby, so her hiccups will be gone too. I don't know. You guys will have to make up the end of that story because they don't tell us. Well, that's our story for today. Everybody have a wonderful, good, sunshiny day today and have fun, fun, fun. And I will hopefully see all of you soon. I love you. Bye-bye.